Welcome to the 2020 edition of ISE. Welcome to Datavideo. My name is Valentine and I would just want to show you our touch panel controller TPC-700. So the TPC-700, as said, is a touch panel controller that in this case controls the Datavideo SE 3200 switcher and multiple cameras. So what it does is it really simplifies your corporate presentation workflow. So for instance, when you have a corporate presentation, you have a PowerPoint coming in the system. There's multiple camera inputs that are being chroma keyed. And with the TPC-700 and the SE 3200, you can superimpose yourself in front of your PowerPoint, or you can have yourself with a virtual background. Now all this is very complicated to do with a switcher per se. So with the TPC-700, it makes your life really easy. TPC-700 is available in a close while, I think right after NAB. And for more information, you can go to www.datavideo.com, where you can find everything about TPC-700 and the switcher it controls.